What are mobile wallets?
Mobile wallets are digital apps, like Apple Pay or Google Pay, that store your credit or debit card details securely on your smartphone. Instead of swiping a physical card, you pay by tapping your phone or using it online. But how is your sensitive payment data kept safe? Let's explore the key technologies and processes that work behind the scenes.
Tokenization, replacing your card details.
Mobile wallets use a security technique called tokenization. When you enter your card, the app doesn't store the real number. Instead, it creates a unique digital token, a random code linked to your actual card. Whenever you pay, only the token is sent, keeping your real card number hidden from merchants and attackers.
Encryption, scrambling data for privacy.
Every transaction made through a mobile wallet is encrypted. This means your payment data is converted into unreadable code as it travels from your phone to payment processors. Only authorized parties can decode this information, preventing cybercriminals from intercepting or stealing your details during transmission.
Biometric and passcode security.
Access to mobile wallets is protected by strong authentication measures. Before you can pay, you must unlock your phone using a fingerprint, facial recognition, or a secure passcode. These steps ensure that only you can authorize payments, even if someone else gains physical access to your device.
Limited data sharing and remote disabling.
Mobile wallets minimize the personal data shared with retailers during transactions. Merchants receive only what's needed to complete your purchase. Plus, if your phone is lost or stolen, you can remotely lock or erase your wallet, adding another layer of safety to protect your payment data.
Bringing it all together.
Thanks to tokenization, encryption, and strong authentication, mobile wallets provide a secure way to pay. These advanced technologies work in combination to protect your sensitive card details, so you can shop with confidence, knowing your payment information is well guarded behind multiple layers of defense.